In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Square account with QuickBooks using the Square integration app available in the QuickBooks App Store. This integration can be a game changer for your business, providing an efficient way to streamline your transactions and financial management. Let's dive right in and start with accessing the QuickBooks App Store. If you're unfamiliar with it, don't worry, just log into your QuickBooks account. On the left navigation panel, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Click on that and it will take you directly to the App Store. Here, you'll find a plethora of apps designed to enhance your QuickBooks experience. In the search bar, type Square and press Enter. The Square integration app should appear as one of the top results. Once you've located the Square integration app, click on it to open the app details. It's always a good idea to spend a moment here to familiarize yourself with the features and reviews. You'll find useful insights and ratings from other users, which are valuable when choosing any integration. After you've read through and are satisfied, look for the option to connect the app to your account. This is often labeled as Get App Now or something similar. Click on this option and it will prompt you to connect your Square account. For this part, you'll need your Square login credentials at the ready. A pop-up window or a new page should appear, directing you to sign into your Square account. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you may be prompted to approve the connection. This step is crucial as it authorizes the transfer of data between Square and QuickBooks. Review the permissions requested and confirm by clicking the Allow button. With the account successfully connected, you might wonder what happens next. One of the beautiful things about this integration is the automatic syncing of transactions. Once connected, there's nothing more for you to manually tweak or adjust. The integration takes over and does the heavy lifting by fetching your Square transactions and syncing them seamlessly into QuickBooks. This means your financial records will stay up to date without manual data entries, reducing errors and saving you valuable time. Lastly, I'd like to share a quick tip for maximizing this integration. Regularly check your QuickBooks dashboard to ensure that your transactions are appearing correctly. If anything seems amiss or a transaction hasn't synced as expected, revisiting the Square app settings within QuickBooks can be a great first step to troubleshoot. Just as a reminder, having accurate transaction records empowers you with better insights into your business, so this integration really can be a great asset. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful integration that can save you time and streamline your business operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.